Every business you see on your phone, restaurants, gyms, real estate companies, has problems that could be solved with an app. The question is, why aren't you the one building it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a company that builds apps for other businesses and turn software into a real, scalable business. Step 1. Understand what you're actually selling. Before you think about code, apps, or logos, understand this. You are not selling apps. You're selling solutions. Businesses don't wake up saying, I want an app. They wake up saying, I want more customers, I want to save time, or I want to stop doing things manually. Your company exists to turn those problems into software. Think about it. What problem would you pay to make disappear? Step 2. Pick one niche and commit. This step will make or break your company. Do not try to build apps for everyone. Pick one industry: restaurants, real estate, clinics, gyms, logistics, or e-commerce. Now ask yourself, which of these has money and repetitive problems? When you specialize, businesses trust you faster, you stand out instantly, and you can charge more. If you were a business owner, would you hire a general app builder or someone who builds apps only for people like you? Step 3. Decide how the apps get built. Here's something most people don't realize. You do not need to be the best coder in the room. You have 3 options. You build the app yourself. You use no-code or low-code tools, or you hire developers and focus on clients. And quick reminder, if this is helpful so far, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I drop content like this every week. Here's the truth. Clients don't care how the app is built. They care that it works and makes their life easier. Step 4. Price based on value, not time. This is where beginners lose money. Charging by the hour caps your income. Instead, ask, how much is this app worth to the business? If an app helps a company make or save $100,000 a year, paying you $10,000 makes sense. You're not selling lines of code. You're selling results. Step 5. Get your first client. Your first client won't come from a perfect website or logo. It comes from action. Reach out to businesses and point out a real problem you can solve. Post online about how apps improve operations. Tell people exactly what you do. You don't need 10 clients. You need 1. Proof beats perfection every time. Step 6. Deliver, improve, and scale. Once clients say yes, focus on 3 things: clear communication, simple timelines, deliver exactly what you promised. As you grow, you can hire help, repeat the same solutions, and turn them into products or SaaS platforms. That's how app companies scale. Final thought, you don't need a big team, a fancy office, or perfect skills. You need one niche, one problem, and one client. Start small, move fast, learn as you go. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe. And comment below, what industry would you build apps for?